Scary Comp V24 Bizarre Bub.
Martha Guima writes, my mom posted a photo from last year.
The photos are boring, bro. I can already tell you what it's gonna be. Wait, maybe not. This is not a scary picture. It's gonna be this mass right here. You're gonna be like, oh my god.
Family.
There's not a 16th person here.
There's nothing odd about this photo. It's the second photo that
Oh, okay. Well, what the f*** my ass?
contains something disturbing. Martha writes, it was only this year that we noticed an uninvited guest was celebrating with us.
What, right here? Oh, that looks like a picture or a pillow or some shit, dude. That don't even look like a Nope. Sorry. Nope.
Josh Dean had set up a camera in his daughter's room and captured something that left him shook. Josh writes, my daughter was being pulled under the bed. My wife thinks she crawled
We've seen this damn... Wait, is it?
but she was clearly pulled by something.
It looked different. Well, I already think this is like a project. She too damn... Like, she too big. No? It's a whole ass kid. Bro, she's her ass under there. She ain't pulled. Okay, well, who runs in? Either way, something.
It's videos like these that keep me from looking at.
Oh, it seems like she crawled under there, couldn't get out, panicked, like a kid would do. This is
visits an abandoned hospital.
I don't know, man. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to find ones that don't, like, you know, rattle my brain. Because soon enough, that's like some CTE rattle shit. You know what I mean?
Hospital that is said to be one of the most haunted places in Japan. While taking a tour of one of the floors, this happens.
なんかいる感じするもんね。ガラスの方がガラスのとこなんか白い影みたいな見えないですあれ。なんだろう。
What do you mean white shadows, bro?
会話さあ行ってみたい。あ。
What? Bro, ain't nothing there. Okay, so you think somebody's like watching you from around the corner, right?
A wheelchair rolls on its own. I can't help but think that this was the ghost of a patient trying to make its presence known. But what do you think?
No, I think there was a squatter here, and he was seeing who was here. If it was like security or some shit. What? What? And then it's the end? What? I don't know anymore, man. I don't know. It really feels like some sort of weird simulation, dude.
Angelica Hernandez writes, my nephew and the camera saw what we couldn't. Can you see it?
Oh, it's be some kid shit, dude. It's another demon. Give that bitch away. I don't know why we keep having these ones, man. Weird shit. They stare off and make noises and shit. But he's cool. He's cool immediately after that, though. And it's like some shit on the fridge, dude. That looks like your metal fridge, and it's a reflection of somebody standing next to you or behind you. I can't see, and you didn't turn around. Bro, I'm not even using my for this shit, dude. I feel like I haven't even got to like get into any of these. It's like some shit on the fridge.
Angelica adds that she had a clear view of the kitchen and window, but didn't see anything there, except for when she looked back at the video.
So you're telling me this is a window, not a fridge?
As with all videos, I don't claim any negative energy from this one.
I don't, huh? Was that like a Times thing 5 years ago? Was that a thing? That was awful.
Alyssa
Oh my god, I hate every part of this damn video.
Dooley took photos of her son at an indoor playground, but didn't realize that she captured something creepy in the background. It was only after looking back at the
Is it a photo? Is it a dude? It's...
photos
Oh, but it's not this one.
that she noticed something strange.
I took these pictures of my son yesterday, and whenever I got home, I reviewed all the pictures that I'd taken, and you see the little feet up at the top of each one of these pictures? They were not there whenever I took the photos, and my son was alone in that slide and no kid was.
Yeah, I'm no parent, you know. I don't know kids all that well, you know. But part of me feels like this little his ass did not just climb down unassisted entirely, just climb down the slide and slide out this way. Is that weird? I don't think that's like how this would go.
Was up there with him.
I feel like somebody was up there with him. And you just got nothing else going on in your day. So you're like, oh, let me be interesting. That's how I'm seeing this. Because you didn't show me. You didn't catch it in the moment either. You didn't. I don't know. I think somebody was up there and you know who it was. That's what I think. That one ain't too scary either.
Ortega Salas was hospitalized after having a heart attack. Ever since then, things at home have been unusual. Ortega has been documenting
since then he's had a little too much time on his hands. Since then he's had a little too much time.
All the strange things that have been happening.
I just want a good video. I just want to watch a good video. So I'm like, oh, how did that happen? And then I can think about that later. You know what I mean?
But it's the following video in which Ortega captures the most activity. While talking about these strange occurrences, this happens.
Aquí algunas cosas se han movido y tratamos de captar lo más que se pueda. Lo más que se pueda en cuestionamientos de las cosas que se mueven. Tratando de... Miren, ahí está el primero. Ahí está el primero y eso es lo que me da miedo. No sé lo que pasa. Tratando de este monito, te lo dieron a mi esposa en el hospital. No sé si agarrarlo o no, la verdad me da un poco de...
Nothing, bro, none of this shit makes any sense, bro. He's saying he's scared, he ain't acting scared. Like, sure, you could say that, oh, it happens all the time, and he tries to record it, and he can't, and he's finally getting it. I don't know, man. This is just stupid. And he's, oh, no shit. Fucking all over the damn troll.
De cosa. Ese mono se nos ha caído ya varias veces. Hasta en la noche.
It probably just don't sit fucking flat. Look at it, don't... Oh, boy. This is a simulation, dude. How long is this? This is what I'm saying, dude. This is what I'm saying. He got home, had nothing to do, made a video. It was a little scary, so pointed some shit out. So he's making like 50 of these.
Noche, no sé si realmente deba de agarrarlo o no, pero tratando. Ese mono, algunas cajas que tenemos aquí se nos han caído. Vamos a tratar de captar varias cosas para ver si alguien nos puede ayudar. Vuelvo, es una vista panorámica para que vean que no hay nada, no hay nadie más que mi conejo me acompaña.
What is this, like 1998? Like what do you mean? Oh, you can see no, like we know how cameras work, bro. This is the same problem we had in the last one, like yesterday's stream. There's just some old heads who don't understand how cameras fucking work. You don't get to see everything. You spinning like this does nothing. You could just do the dance.
En este cuarto, como les comento, es donde hay más actividad. Aquí quiero captar algo. No sé qué pase, que se pueda realizar. Es el juego de los salón, bueno, es el cuarto de los niños, pero de hecho tratamos de captar lo más que se pueda mover.
Bro,
pero al final, ahí está el primero. Ahí está el primero. No sé qué está pasando. Dios. tratando de ser lo más que se pueda.
He keeps saying the same. I'm just not buying it because of that, bro. Like, it's not making sense.
Lo más que se pueda captar. Como les digo, es el cuarto de los muchachos y tengo miedo de que ellos, Dios, tratando de hacer lo más que se pueda. Él se empezó a mover muy leve. No sé qué pase realmente. Como pueden ver, aquí no hay nadie. En ver, absolutamente nadie.
Bro, because you could be doing that. Like,
En ver, absolutamente nadie. Panorámica. Ahí se murió el patín ya. Ahí está. Ahí está. Dios. Ahí se acaba de...
I mean, to be fair, that fan didn't look like it was going to stand much longer.
Eso es lo que pasa en esta casa.
The most unsettling footage isn't this, though. In another
Yeah,
video,
of course, there's more. There's
Ortega captures something that caused him to run out of his room.
Okay, what?
No sé, tengo miedo.
This, I bet this will tell me, bro. He's going to slip.
La verdad, tratando lo suficiente. Dios. Trataremos de hacer lo posible, ¿ok? Pueden ver, se cayeron las cosas. Okay. Vamos a tratar de... Si tú eres la... Dios santo. Dios, Dios.
This is a stupid ass project, bro. It's just like goofy ass skit that you're doing. Like, I could already tell something was off. It feels like you acting. It don't make any sense. You said the same words about 100 times for 2 different phrases, bro.
Here's someone taking a bathroom selfie and capturing something unsettling.
Oh god, it's gonna be some pareidolia with a hair dryer. Or the hand dryer thing. Bro, that's the these fucking videos, dude. That's the hand dryer. That's a hand dryer. I'm over this, man. Oh boy. I think I ran out of all the good ones is what happened. I don't know.
A clinic in Ecuador caught something spooky on camera. Take a look.
I think we've seen this one. I remember that guy.
Uy, Dios mío.
Oh no, this is different.
La acomodó, la acomodó.
If only all poltergeist activity were like this.
That's it though? There's very little context to that, man.
Or caught something spooky on camera. Take a look.
Uy, Dios mío.
He doesn't sound scared. He sounds impressed. Y'all had to set that up, bro. There's no way.
La acomodó, la acomodó.
I feel like you'd freak though, and then you'd continue. You'd try to continue. This is where you'd have another video or a much longer video. Bro, shit's gotta make sense. Like it just like unless it's not real and it's fiction, it doesn't have to make any sense. Okay, that's it. That's really lame. There was no more context to that. You don't want to look into that any bit? I want to look into that.
The following video takes place at a cemetery where a group of paranormal investigators encountered something beyond belief.
Ándalo a saber. Mira, mira, espérame. Ay, no mames. Ey. No mames. Ey.
Bro, replayed the sound though. What was that?
No mames. Ey. No mames. niño, ese es otro niño. Güey. Espérame.
Whoever was trying to raise the dead didn't really think this through, because now they gotta raise a child.
I feel like that's just you guys making this for the video, though. Like, that's just one of your friends or something. And then, because the running to it, I was initially going to be like, oh, here we go. Like, maybe we got something here. And then immediately you could tell, like, then it starts to feel, like, not real anymore.
Ese es un niño, ese es otro niño. Güey.
Like, right there.
Espérame.
Like, it just doesn't feel real anymore. Like, some reason, that part of his reaction for me fell through. Oh, boy. It was kind of redeemable at the end there for this one. And then the end of this one, too.